Welcome to Dr. Veda YouTube channel. Science behind homesickness. Dr. Veda. Homesickness is a common experience for many individuals who are away from home for an extended period of time. The interesting science behind homesickness lies in the brain's response to being in an unfamiliar environment. When we are in a new place, our brains release stress hormones such as cortisol, which can trigger feelings of anxiety and longing for home. Additionally, homesickness has been found to activate the brain's reward center, which is responsible for feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. This means that when we think about or return to familiar surroundings, our brains release dopamine, creating a sense of comfort and happiness. Understanding the science behind homesickness can help individuals cope with these feelings and find ways to adapt to their new environment while still maintaining a connection to home.